Hi, happy week after spring break. We're excited to be back. Okay, so goals this week. We're looking at our new class theme. We're signing up for this library. We're reading just one chapter of this book, and you're going to read your independent book. Moving forward, it's going to be read part of our class book and read your independent book every week. That's basically what you're doing, right? So here are your lessons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And remember that we've got our suggested schedule. So here's what we would suggest doing today. Go over that first PowerPoint. Go over to that second PowerPoint and create your library account. Review the second PowerPoint. It's going to give you background information for our class book. And then read our class book for 30 minutes. So that looks like a lot of stuff, but notice it's mostly just reviewing things and then doing some reading. We wouldn't even suggest doing any writing today, just this part, okay? So it should take you about an hour. Nothing's due today, but if you want to get that quick check done, then you'll be ahead of it for tomorrow. Remember, everything's linked in here, and remember to reach out with any questions. You got